In this tutorial, you will discover how powerful it is to integrate a spark of AI into your applications and processes. We will create an API entry point for a racing game that automatically notifies on X when a player overtakes another player. The N8 Ninja is on a mission to liberate 1,000 souls from bullshit tasks, and nothing will stop her.
In one of my previous lives, if I recall correctly, it was the latest, I was the CEO of a very cool retro future racing game. One challenge we faced was how to efficiently engage our community in a competitive ecosystem. What is more effective than teasing players and motivating them to climb the rankings? In this workflow, we will create a very simple API entry point to be called when one player overtakes the position of another. So we start with the Webhook node and change our method to post. We rename the path to overtake tweet. Our API is ready and can already be triggered in our application. We add the AI node that will generate the message. We choose the basic LLM chain node, which is a very efficient implementation of LangChain. We connect it to an AI model. As always, I will choose OpenAI. I think that as of today, it is still by far the most efficient LLM. For the prompt, we choose Define Below, and we can write our prompt. Writing an efficient prompt is relatively easy. You should think of it like you are writing the mission of your intern, and it should be fine. As we are preparing a message that will be shared on X, we add the precision that the output should be short, no longer than 250, so we keep a small margin to stay below the 280 characters. Okay, now we want to retrieve our data. Let's go back to our Webhook node and copy the URL. For demonstration purposes, we will use Postman, where we paste our URL, making sure we are using a post request. We add some variables in the body of our request, player A who overtook player B, and the score. We pin the result, so we can work and iterate on our workflow without the need to send requests through Postman repeatedly. Let's move to our LLM node where we need to integrate the value we receive from our API. To get a better vision of what we are doing, we expand the editing field. We integrate all the variables from our request to our prompt and move them to their proper place. Let's run our node, and here we have a very nice message ready to be shared on X. What is outstanding with this approach is that every time, the message is unique. The feeling for your user is much better than just using a template. It's like having a real shoutcaster. This is the kind of magic LLM can bring to our applications, and this is also why I love n8n so much. AI is natively integrated into n8n and can be combined with other services without any coding skills. For me, this is mind-blowing. If you are willing to give n8n a try, please follow the link in the description. This will support my work. We are now ready for the final step, posting our message on X. Nothing is easier than this. We just have to add the X node to our workflow with the action to create a tweet. In the node, we drag and drop our message into our text field, and that is it. Let's run and check. Here we go. Our message has been posted on X, and the two players have been tagged. This is a very efficient and easy way to increase retention and implement a growth hacking mechanism that can be adapted to multiple scenarios.
Thank you for watching. I hope that the N8 Ninja could be helpful to you. If you want to support her work, thumb up and share this video. If you have any questions or workflow requests, drop a comment. And if you want to stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. Let's keep building and see you around, dear crafters.